You're not putting TV in there.
I can hear you. I can hear
You're
you.
not putting your TV in there.
Want to bring the laptop? You want to watch a movie?
Too bad.
Oh, Joey, let's get phone and watch. Hi, let's go. That's stupid.
Probably stupid.
It's the whole reason we came in here for.
Oh, well, you're not getting your TV. You need to ask permission before you do things like that.
Cannot I bring the TV?
Y'all are not spending the night in there either.
What?
Y'all did not ask permission for that.
Can we stay right here?
No.